Hey everybody, we're back. I'm Chris, and this is the Vegan Zombie Crew. My family. We got my mom, Rachel, Katie, and Mary. And we're going to do a taste test video. We're going to do a video. Well, this is a video, but we're going to do a taste test. What are we going to eat today?
Muffins.
Muffins! We have a whole bag of muffins from Abe's. Do you know Abe's was a little boy? He is a little boy that was allergic to everything, so his uncle and his dad made these muffins that are dairy-free, egg-free, all these things. And I think your daddy just walked in the door. Hey guys.
We have some muffins.
Well, we have muffins if you're hungry.
Some muffins.
Yeah.
Muffins.
And my brother Brian. He's also in the video. So, Abe's hooked us up with all kinds of muffins. What have you got there? You got lemon poppy muffins.
Oh, they sound good.
Blueberry smash.
Whoa.
My favorite. Chocolate chip. Sorry guys, I've already kind of got into these, but we're going to do the family taste test. Apple cider muffins, and then we have a cornbread.
That sounds so good.
Okay, so here's what I suggest, Katie. Since I know they're little tiny muffins, but we have so many to taste test, I think we should cut them in half, and we should each try half. This is a lemon poppy vegan muffin, and it is labeled vegan, no milk, no nuts, no eggs, no soy. It does have gluten. Brian, if you want to join us, you can come on in here somewhere.
We just had
Muffins.
These are the lemon poppy. Okay,
they look
so I'm going to
good.
cut these so each of us can get
Am I in?
half of a muffin. If you want less than half, that's fine too. There's a lot of us here, and we have a lot of muffins to eat. All right, Katie's taking the first bite. There's Brian and Mary. Mary's eating for two, by the way. Rach,
I don't even know what I mean. Is this lemon?
lemon poppy seed. Are you? Well, that doesn't make these taste too good if we're smelling the hiney burps.
She goes, it's Charlie.
She's learning from mom, isn't she?
Stop it! It wasn't very nice.
She used to do that to the dog, and the dog was outside one day, and. All right, here you go.
This better not be on your video. Kids watch this.
Brian, you gotta kind of scoot in a little bit more because we can't see you.
Oh, I like this.
Is it? What did everybody think? Brian's the most picky. What did you think?
That was good.
I loved it.
Me too.
What did you think, Katie?
Is it delicious?
No.
Okay, so Katie told me
I
earlier
love lemon peppy anyway.
when I got here, she said Uncle Chris. Maybe she didn't say Uncle Chris, but she probably just said Chris. I don't like blueberries, so this is blueberry. You might not like this because you told me you don't like
But you
blueberries.
love blueberries.
It was just the muffin she said she didn't like.
Do you want to try one? I know you said you didn't like blueberry, but maybe you like that one.
You like it? You like this one, but you didn't like the other one? The one you just had?
Oh, you said you liked it though.
I don't like. No, I don't.
Christopher, where do you buy these? These are delicious.
Oh, the other ones that Aunt Kelly brought you?
You either gotta order them
These are good.
or
Really
I don't think any stores around here. The closest store around here.
See, nothing's ever
Whole
local
Foods.
around here. That's the tough
Well,
part.
we live in upstate New York, and I think the closest place is maybe Whole Foods, and that's in Albany, the closest one. So it's like a 2-hour drive. But if you're near Whole Foods, and I think somebody.
They are.
I'd probably drive 2 hours
Whoa.
for these.
Yeah, that was really good.
They're so moist. They're really,
Really good.
moist.
Oh, come on, stop saying that. I can't. For those of you that are regulars on my channel, you guys know I don't like that word.
Well, it's delicious.
Okay.
They're fresh. Okay, how about that? They're fresh.
Yeah, they're fresh.
Nice and fresh.
This is apple cider, and believe me, this is one of my favorites as well.
Alright.
Kind of like.
You're a little worried
Is it
there.
kind of like gingerbread?
Yes.
You gotta
It
get
has
that.
coffee
I know.
in it.
No, it doesn't.
No, there's no coffee in any of these. You can smell it already.
This one's
Yeah.
apple
Oh, it's,
cider.
Yeah.
it smells like gingerbread.
Yeah, it does.
Oh,
It's good though.
I'll try it.
Go for it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna like this one.
Try
They're
it.
good.
Mmm.
This would be good with whipped cream, like gingerbread and whipped cream.
You love it?
Mm-hmm.
You want mine?
Love it.
You love it.
You want mine too?
You don't like gingerbread?
It's good though.
Mommy will eat it.
Charlotte will eat it. Let Charlotte eat it.
We have 2 more to try.
So good.
You got your soy milk too. I wish I had some Oatly.
This was dinner. We're eating dinner.
Pretty much, yeah. I had a whole refrigerator full of this. I had to bring it over and share it with somebody. Let's go with the cornbread, and then let's finalize it with the chocolate chip, because I think I love this chocolate chip. So I like to go with the
These
best
are
for
so-
last.
I would eat the whole box if I ever bought this.
Yeah,
stuff.
you would. This is non-GMO too. Non-GMO everything. And it's even fortified with vitamin A, D2, and vitamin B12. And this is cornbread. This would be great with like a bowl of chili.
Chili, or I made some lentil soup that would be good with.
You like
Yep.
that one?
Oh, look at this. It's like a whole...
Cake.
They do have cornbread muffins too, which I did try, and they're
Do you
really
have any
good.
idea what these sell for? How much?
Yeah, probably like $30 each. No, I don't know.
$30. Every time I go to the store, everything I see is $5. $5.
Honestly, I don't know how much they are.
Cornbread isn't calories.
Yeah, this one we have to cut.
Yeah, we have to cut into this. This is like a cake. This would almost be like a birth. Your cousin Macy would love this because she'd be able to sing Happy Birthday.
She's gonna get to sing happy
Katie
birthday.
just turned 4.
Yeah, she did. I heard this was your birthday month. You gotta do a lot of birthday. She's like, yep.
She's on like her 4th birthday party.
Mary, is Katie's
West.
or Macy's party Saturday or Sunday?
What?
Sunday. Yeah.
This weekend for my birthday, I go bowling.
You went bowling? How'd you do?
Good.
Oh, that's awesome.
Got 85.
Do you like bowling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's more than Grandma gets.
Daddy only got 93, so
Good
Were you playing
job.
bumper bowl? And you still only... Brian.
Oh, they're small.
What else did you do?
Do you know how much if you want, there's a whole thing here. You can take it with you.
I'll keep
There.
the blueberry.
Ready for cornbread?
All right, cornbread, go for it.
You
Take the
love
biggest one.
cornbread.
No, they're all the same.
I'll take the smallest one.
I'll take this one.
Cornbread. Wait, why is there one? Oh, we didn't cut them like normal.
They're all delicious.
Mm-hmm. Good, isn't it?
You like it?
It's got a nice cornbready, gritty taste.
What's your favorite one so far?
This one.
It's whatever
Yeah.
one's in her hand.
You like this one?
My favorite one is this one.
I gotta agree, it's pretty good.
It is.
I like
Really good.
I like all of them.
this
Well,
one or the
hold
blue.
on.
I like the blueberry the best so far.
So far, Brian likes
Yeah.
blueberry. Well, here we go. This is chocolate chip.
I love cornbread.
You sure are making a mess, kiddo.
Yeah, we are making a mess.
Oh my goodness.
Where's Charlie?
All right, we have a
We're gonna
nice
have to vacuum
chocolatey
you.
chip one. We're going to cut this 6 different ways.
The cure.
Yep.
Head on the door. We decided this today, and Chris, you're more than welcome to attend. We're gonna jump on a plane in August and go see the Cure in California.
Where in California?
I forgot.
And when is it?
August 31st.
Who, you and Pat?
Mogwai.
Oh, Mogwai. Some of my favorite bands, Mogwai and The Cure.
It's a festival, but the Cure's headlining it. It's a Cure festival.
I mean, if Explosions in the Sky are playing too, then maybe...
that would be awesome. I saw them with the Cure.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't know they headlined for The Cure.
You like this one? That was a chocolate chip.
Was it not?
Chocolate chip.
No, it wasn't. No, never mind. That was 65 days.
What do you guys think of this one?
Really good.
I like
I
it.
like that one the least.
Really?
That's me.
I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I like
I
it.
like it the least.
The chocolate is just... I love chocolate.
Mmm.
So the only one we didn't have here was the devil's food cake. And we made a little bit of a mess. But overall, what do you guys think?
They're delicious.
These are really good.
They really are very good.
Under the table.
They're very fresh tasting.
They are. And I got them a week ago.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I like blueberry.
Blueberry.
Yeah. I like them all.
That's my favorite.
I like
There
the
you
lemon
go. You
poppy
take
seed
that?
one.
Thank you.
Lemon poppy seed?
Yeah.
You want to take that with you?
Absolutely.
All right.
Katie likes us.
Mom's like, well, you know,
Can
Katie likes this, and I'll be babysitting her, you know, so.
No, I
I have a knife?
like
This is the one you said you
I
liked.
have one
I
right
like
now.
the
Cornbread?
apple cider.
You want the
Yeah.
apple cider? There you go. You can have the apple cider.
I like
I guess I'll take the chocolate chip.
cider.
What does Grandma got?
Do you want the cornbread?
Doesn't Katie want some? She said she liked it. This is
We'll
so
give you
good.
the cornbred.
I'll take these to work.
No, you won't.
Mary.
So now we're fighting over them. We need some more, Abes.
You got these. I got these.
I'm eating for 2.
Yeah, that's right.
Two packs.
The pregnant wife always wins.
So it looks like this was another successful taste
never
testing
win.
video. I think the only thing that anybody didn't like was I don't think Brian liked the gingerbread or the apple cider, but other than that, everybody liked everything else.
Well, that's just me. I mean, it's not like...
They also have a coffee cake, pound cake, that it was frozen, so I didn't eat it. I haven't tried it. It doesn't have any coffee in it, so I do want to try
I
it.
love coffee cake.
Do you love it?
Rachel, you can have the chocolate chip one.
I didn't like that one.
What about you?
No, I'm good.
I say have a great day.
You hear that, guys? Katie's been making her own YouTube videos, and I've been telling her dad that he's got to edit them and put them on YouTube.
The first couple aren't great because they're done on solely an iPhone.
Well, that's okay. iPhone's great. We're filming this over here on iPhone. Hi, everybody. iPhone.
I didn't even see that one.
That's it for this video. Katie, what do we always say to the people watching at home?
Watch out for Daddy.
And don't forget to subscribe, survive, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
She really likes that, huh?
Have a great day.
Now I gotta clean up our messes.